Hello students, welcome to the fourth video lesson of lesson number 13. Name of the lesson, as you all know, our neighborhood. In the previous videos we have seen what is the meaning of neighbor, what is the meaning of neighborhood, etc. I have explained. I hope you all have understood the previous video lessons, whatever I have explained. Yesterday I told you to go through this last paragraph of second page of this lesson. I hope you have gone through. Now let us see what it says. It is all about helping one another. How we help in neighborhood. Let us see. Good neighbors share a healthy relationship with one another. What good neighbors do? They share a very healthy relationship. They help each other in times of need. What do the good neighbors do? They help each other in times of need. How can we explain this? How do you understand? You must have experienced being in your neighborhood. At some point of time you need something, some grocery items or some items of household stuff, and you go to your neighbor and you ask them and they give you that thing, because at that point of time it's not possible to go to the market and buy such things. So you go to your neighbor and you ask such things and they give you. Similarly, when they come to your house, if they need anything, you also give. So in this way we help each other in time of need. People take their neighbors to the hospital if they are sick. Sometimes it happens that no one is there in your house and you are sick. So who take care of you? It's the neighbors. If they are good, they will come to your house and they will take you to the hospital. Or if in their house, if no one is there and you are there, and your parents or you will take them to the hospital. So in this way we also help each other, or we take care of each other. They also take turns to visit them in the hospital. What they do? They go to the hospital and also see them. Take turns means one by one. The neighbors, suppose if someone in your neighborhood is sick and is in the hospital, what you do, what the neighbors do, they go to the hospital one by one and see that person, so that he may feel better. Neighbors help the sick, old, or lonely people living in their neighborhood. Whom the neighbors help? They help the sick, old, or lonely people. I hope you understand the meaning of lonely. Lonely means someone who don't has anyone in his home to look after. So such people, who take care of such people? The neighbors. They take care of the sick, the old, and the lonely people living in their neighborhood. So similarly, you must take care of such people in your neighborhood. If you see such people, those who don't have anyone to look after, you must take care of them. Moving further, neighbors also do shopping for the old people and take them out to visit places or meet friends. What it says? Neighbors, they also do shopping for the old people, the elderly people, those who cannot go outside by themselves. Why? Because they are very old. So who help them? The neighbors, the good neighbors, they help them. Being a neighbor, you must also help them, such people who are old and who cannot go out by themselves. So you must help them to go out, have their shopping, and to meet their relatives or friends, and to visit places. Suppose if they want to go to some place and they are not able to go because of being old, so you must help them to go to such place. Very often people pick and drop their neighbors' children to school along with their own children. You must have experienced such a situation when you didn't have your parents in your home and your neighbors, they took you to the school along with their children. You must have experienced this incident, and it happens. Everyone should do. Being a good neighbor, you must also do. Suppose if their parents are not there and your friends in your neighbor, they are there and they also have to go to the school, so what is your duty, or what is the duty of your parents being a good neighbor? That they must also take them to their school along with you. So I hope you understood whatever is given here, in what are the ways in which we can help one another, or we help one another in neighborhood, or being a good neighbor, how we help one another. You have seen in this paragraph, you have understood. There is something written in this box. Let us see what it's written. Let's do and learn. Identify a few people in your neighborhood who need help. How can you help them? So it is a question that you must find out the answer by yourself. If you won't be able to answer, you can ask me. I will try to explain. It's saying that you have to find out, you have to identify that who are the people in your neighborhood who need your help, and how can you help them. What are the ways in which you can help such people? First of all, you have to find out who are those people, and then you have to find out the ways in which you can help them. So I hope you will do this. If you are having any difficulty, you can ask me. I will explain. So now, again, go through the video not only once but twice. And if you have any doubt, any question, drop your question in the comment section of the video, or in the school app also you can ask me. I will try to explain. So till then, study well. Thank you.